Have you been told that you have a nasal voice or a nasal tone? In this video, I'm going to help you balance your nasality and explain why a nasal singing tone is actually beneficial for your singing. G'day, my name is Ian Castle. I'm a performer and a vocal coach from Australia, and I'm here to help you become a better singer. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. Us Aussies are notorious for our nasally tone, so it's with some authority I can speak about this misunderstood resonance. So what is nasality? Well, your voice, whether you are speaking or singing, needs space to resonate. The biggest space is your throat. However, your vocal tone can take a detour and resonate in the nasal passage. Here's a demonstration for you of throat resonance compared to nasal resonance. To eliminate nasality, I'm going to pinch my nostrils so that the air won't be able to escape. Ah, ah. Now here's a demonstration of pure nasal resonance using an M, N, and NG sound. The air cannot escape through my mouth, so it has to find its way out through my nasal passage. Now let's say that you are someone who has an overly dominant nasal singing voice. What can you do? First, I would look to create more space in your throat. You can do this by flattening out the back of your tongue. If your tongue is too arched, your tone will take more of a detour to nasality. Let's do an exercise together. We're going to sing an NG sound, which is 100% nasal. To create this sound, say sing and hold the NG at the end. Sing. This nasal sound requires your tongue to be arched at the back, which is great because now we are going to learn how to flatten it out. This is the exercise. Feel free to join in. Ah, ah, This exercise is great for opening your throat and creating a more balanced resonance. It is important to note that I'm not completely eliminating nasality. We want to blend these resonators to create a balanced, vibrant tone. Nasality has a brightness which will help you with your high notes and mixed voice. Another tip for balancing nasal voice is opening your mouth and releasing your jaw more when you speak or sing. This is one of the reasons why us Aussies have our accent. We're lazy when it comes to opening our mouth. Therefore, the tone has to become nasal for the air to escape. By opening my mouth and releasing my jaw, my voice has a fuller, rounder sound. Practice the words of your songs as a speech in this open and released way. And then see if you can apply it to singing. You might feel quite silly doing this, but sometimes the silly exercises are the most effective for improving your voice. Well, that's it for today's lesson on nasality. I hope that it helps you create a more balanced and resonant voice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any other exercises that have helped you with your nasal voice. Bye for now. If you would like to take your singing to the next level with me as your vocal coach, head over to AussieVocalCoach.com, where you can sign up for my free beginner and advanced vocal routines, or you can check out my vocal programs and personal coaching.